Welcome to Sign Up Simple and my GetResponse tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will be manually adding a contact to a list. This video is number 4 of 12 videos in this video series. And if you are not already signed up with GetResponse, I have provided a link in the description for you to use to sign up. We are going to be manually adding a contact to List 2. There are 2 ways that you are able to do this. The first way is by using the option at the top of the table or the option found on the record. I'm going to click the Add Contact found on the record. Notice that the list is already selected. We have 2 ways that we can add a contact. I am going to select one by one manual option. I'm going to enter an email address and then specify a name. I am also adding a custom field. Note that there are already a number of predefined custom fields. I am adding date of birth. I'm going to check that I have permission to add this person to my list and click Add Contact. To see the newly entered contact, we are going to click the Contact menu option, List, then click List 2. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you are not already signed up with GetResponse, then I have the link in the description. Also, the next video should appear in front of your screen here. See you in the next video.